Hi friends, good evening. Yesterday class we discussed MySQL queries of five queries where it is insert, select, update, delete, replace. Today we discussed the remaining three queries where it is insert, ignore into query, insert, ignore query, not into, and insert on duplicate query, insert into select query. Today we discussed these remaining three threads. So before that we discussed insert insert ignore query and also insert duplicate query and replace query as same methodology, same scenario where it is I explain in a simple way. Removing this, look at admin create a database, one database, storing a table, one table, storing one table. Suppose here the names, ID, name, name, age. Suppose example one Naga 23, two Shiva 20, three Vazi 22. Database, employee table. Suppose so the admin create a table of employee. So suppose admin the admin create so suppose admin create database in a table of employee the records is here. So before that we discussed the replace query. Replace query where it is what is the exact meaning of replace query? Replacing one record, just like 3 is here was it 2022. I need 3 id but another name. That time we use replace as the same scenario. As in the replace same scenario, third was the replace some so and so as the same scenario. Insert ignore query also. Insert ignore query also same protocol. Even same insert on duplicate key also. Get key also. But the names is replace, insert, ignore, insert and duplicate. The name is the difference. But the execution is same purpose. Right? And finally insert into select query. It's like multiple rows insert in a table. That time we used where I will show the PowerPoint presentation. Look at here. Insert ignore query like in MySQL insert into statement can be used to insert one or more records in a table. Even same protocol ignore also. Insert ignore into table name values. Just duplicates not recommended. That's what we use the same replace. Even ignore also. Insert into select also. Duplicate key also. Where we are trying to insert a new row into a MySQL table column with a unique index or primary key MySQL will an error. If the value being inserted already existed in the column, this will happen because these constraints require to unique values and duplicate values are not allowed. That time we have to use duplicate key just like replace, insert, ignore included. It's same scenario. Look at here. Insert statement MySQL will update the existing rows with a new value instead of showing an error. As the same scenario. And finally insert into select. In MySQL the insert into select statement is used to add or insert one or more rows from an existing table to target table. This statement is used to combination of two different statements, insert into and select. The syntax of insert into tables has column 1, column 2, column 3, select something. So we have to show programmatic level. Drop table. So I'm creating one more table. Create table. Table name MCA. ID int not null. Subject worker 10 not null, primary key id. Close the bracket, enter. Describe MCA. So look at this describe table. So insert values, insert into MCA values 1 Java. Comma, second one Python. So we have to use a select query. Select star from MCA. So insert in the same values one more time. Wait. It is duplicates are allowed. Look at here. Duplicate entry one for key MCA dot primary key. So duplicate not allowed. So we use a replace. One in MySQL query, okay, because replace. Look at one is MySQL, replace Java to MySQL. So whatever the replace doing something as the same, we have to more queries. Look like insert ignore, insert and duplicate key. These two queries also same scenario like replace equal to insert ignore equal to insert duplicate. So we show what is that exactly. Same, insert ignore into table name MCA values. So one value, one comma AWS. Query, okay, because same replace value. Replace, we use replace also, insert query also. Select star from. So error is not recommended because this is duplicated, but we use ignore. That's what zero query, okay, row affected, one warning, because just warning raising. Then next one, insert and duplicate, right? It will use the MySQL and duplicate key update class with the insert into statement. MySQL will update the existing rows with the new value instead of some error. Already we discussed what is that, and also even So in programmatic level, so I write here, though that is that we create two tables. So duplicate also, replacing also error, so we ignoring duplicate row where the syntax is on duplicate key. Look at here, see, observe, insert into table name MCA values, already two rows, so use two, something, just for example purpose, that's what. Because okay, spelling mistake. Look at here, duplicate, so we ignore this duplicate key entered. Look at here, insert into MCA values, second one, we replace second one, so python on duplicate key name equal to Java. So we passed the second ID, replace Python to Java. So update, we have to write update. So I missed the update name, update. So enter unknown column name in field list. Like this is subject, right? We have to take. I give a name. That's what error. So I interchange subject. I give subject, then enter, query affected. We, let's see, yeah, duplicate key entered. So that's the replace, insert, ignore, duplicate key allowed like this, and finally insert into select. Multiple columns we need in a table, we have to choose insert into select query. So we discussed in tutorials, because some information missing, that's what I'm looking in tutorials also. Wait a minute, drop down, insert into selector where it is in MySQL. Insert into select statement is used to add, insert one or more rows from an existing table. So that time we used this statement is combination of two different statements, insert into select. So the syntax is like this: insert into table 2, column 1, column 2, column 3 from table 1. Like we will create two tables. So the syntax is as column 1 select column 1, column 2, column 3 from table 1 where the condition we have to use. So for example, first of all let us create a table name customers. The tutorial person created customer table and also insert values, add one more table customer copy. So select star for something, insert the rows with the limit, look like this. Observe this. Insert into customer copy, like insert into table 2 id name age address salary, select id name age address salary from same, insert into customer copy and insert a table 2 values, table 1 select table 1 values from customers table 1 where age greater than 25. So I created two tables where MCA copy. So insert into MCA copy ID subject select ID subject MCA table 1 where ID equal to 1, enter unknown column ID in the field list. So I try to semicolon well, like looking, try something. Oh, I missed the from value here now. From table 1, right? Insert into MCA copy ID subject select ID subject select ID subject from, I missed this from MCA where where subject equal to Java. Try something just only. Not perfectly output. Look at if it's applicable or not, if it's successful or not. Enter. Operand should contain one column. Look like ID. We took. I give ID. See just. One. Operand should contain one column. Look like we have to add like a boolean operation. That's what error is here. So I am giving tutorials. Copy this. copy. You don't do copy paste because today time is 2:12 a.m. That's what I felt sleep. That's what I'm copy paste just for this definition only today class. So you will write in practical, right? Query, okay. Then next, insert values. Recorded. Same. So we create one more copy. Oh, see, Mister. That's what error is here. Copy, paste. Okay. Query. Okay. So now I'm doing insert into select query. Finally, insert into table 2 like customer copy. customer customer underscore copy. id name age, id name age, id name age, address salary, address salary, insert into customer copy, id name age, select address, select same id name age, address salary, age, address salary from table 1, where the condition is where age greater than 20. Enter. Table employee customer code does not exist. What? Look like customer. Yes, we have to add customers. Enter.